All right, Amy, you here?
Yep.
We're about to check out Baba's Kebabs right there. Authentic German-style doner kebabs. You found this in your Facebook.
Yeah, we were talking about doner kebabs, and then all of a sudden the next day they said, you want German-style doner kebabs in Tampa? You gotta go to Baba's.
Yeah, so I'm excited. We're gonna test it out, check it out, and kick it off. All right, here's the ingredients. German style, it's got the cabbage. There's the famous bread. You gonna get one? Yeah. I'm gonna record you making it if that's okay. Very excited. So you make your own bread? Absolutely. Yeah? That's awesome. I think that's the secret, is some good bread pressed just right. Do you press it or how do you do it? There's your press. There's your press. So what's the secret to the red sauce? What's that? Can't tell me? Not anything about it? No secret? Wow. Yeah, a little bit. She loves spicy sauce. I'm weak. I'm weak. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. Look at this. Alright, I'm gonna try a little bit. It's not too bad. That was good, right? Alright. It's amazing. You got the spit going. So that one's beef and lamb.
We use wood.
What's that?
Charcoals and wood.
Oh, that's awesome. Old school, yeah.
Taste.
And then that one's chicken?
Yes.
Right on.
And of course the schnitzel is deep fried.
Oh, you got the schnitzel sandwich.
Yes. Chicken. There's no pork in here. Everything is halal meat.
Oh, good, good, good. And it comes with the fries and a drink. Look at that. That is beautiful. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, this is the good stuff. That's the good stuff right there, right? Do you want to keep holding that, or?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Everything we make here is fresh. Handmade, everything fresh.
So you're making the falafel fresh and then frying each individual ball as you make it. That's awesome. This guy's ready. He's helping. That red sauce, how would you describe it?
Oh, it's delicious. It's spicy, but I don't know. It just got a lot of good flavor without being too just hot for the sake of it.
Yeah, I was impressed. I don't usually like just hot sauce, but I'm putting that on my kebab for sure. Alright, that's the goal, folks. Halal Baba's Doner Kebabs. Oh, yeah. Alright, we have a sample of the chicken. That's a solid piece of chicken. Yeah, it's really juicy. Look at that. But we're doing the beef and lamb. Oh, this is my stuff right here. Pretty good. Pretty neat.
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna try this hot falafel. You gonna try a bite of it?
Yep.
All right, let me know how it goes.
We're not cheap on our product, as you see.
Hot, isn't it?
Let's go home.
It's yeah, that's your.
But you see it coming out of the fryer.
Right, this is good stuff. So, yeah, your cabbage. What's that? Oh, should I do it your way? No, I do it probably pretty weak. No. I'm gonna do the cabbage. Yeah, the carrots, a little bit of the red sauce. The spicy, just a little spicy, yeah. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, I'd be stupid if I didn't. Maybe some cucumber. And I think I'm good. Like sometimes I do tomato and onion. So maybe just a little bit of tomato in it, yeah. Just a light. All right, people, if anyone watches this, they'll have to let me know if I should have put more of this delicious stuff on here.
Okay, can I do some hummus? A lot of the hot sauce.
Is that good? Yeah, you love hummus. That's good.
Yeah, hot sauce.
The hot sauce is a perfect addition, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is how we eat. I'm Lebanese. This is how we eat on falafel.
Oh.
It's good.
It's not sauce, tomato, and onions.
There you go.
And then I want to do jalapenos and onions.
Jalapeno?
Wow, look at those jalapenos right there. Oh, those are gonna be some hot ones.
Onions. A little more garlic sauce. Tomato. I'll do a little tomato. Yeah.
Look at that.
Any pickle?
No, it's okay. Awesome. Perfect.
Oh my god, that's so exciting. We can cancel our trip to Germany now.
You first time here?
Yes, sir. This food looks amazing. I cannot wait.
So we can do that.
Yeah, that one's mine. That one's Amanda's. Look, all those fries are so well done. That's perfect.
Yeah, you put it
What's the
like
definition of the beef?
Yeah, I love when you do the good crispy fries.
You guys have 2 cans of soda or 2 bottles of water? Whatever.
Thank you. How were those only $15 each? That is a bargain. That is amazing.
No, actually 15 and 10.
15 and 10? Holy cow. That's impressive.
All prices is decent.
All right, we're at the point where we get to try it. Are you kidding me? It is so good. Oh, it's like each bite is better than the previous. This is amazing. This is the best pita I've ever had. It's that good, isn't it? It's that good. Wow.